Over the past several years, I've worked with my colleague Jeff Merkley on legislation to encourage a peaceful resolution to the dispute between Tibet and China.
This major bill is now the law of the land. I am thrilled.
We did not let the CCP intimidate us, for we are here today.
This bill empowers the State Department to counter the Chinese government's attempt to rewrite, or in some cases, erase history. And it encourages dialogue between the leaders of Tibet and China to reach a peaceful resolution. This is a step forward.
The Chinese Communist Party is not happy with this legislation, which tells you all you need to know. For too long, we've watched the CCP attempt to break the will and the cohesion of the Tibetan people. I believe this bill is a step in the right direction to correcting that and to putting us on a better footing to support the freedom-loving aspirations of the Tibetan people.
The United States once again affirms our strong support for the rights of the Tibetan people under international law, including their right to self-determination.
As we continue to advocate for freedom for the Tibetan people, I look forward to working with my colleagues in the administration to make sure this legislation is a success.
The Tibetans are willing. The People's Republic of China should come to the table. Our message is clear. No more false claims about Tibetan history or culture. Tibet has not been a part of China since ancient times, and America will stand loud and clear for the truth.
I want to thank the Office of Tibet and the International Campaign for Tibet for your tireless advocacy for this legislation.
I am proud to stand in solidarity with the Tibetan people, and I always will.
For the Dalai Lama knows that this is not true, that Tibet is part of China. And the people of Tibet know that that is not true. And the United States of America knows that that is not true.